Good evening and welcome to Maths and Fun by Sudhanshu sir. And today we are with very beautiful Vrinda, grade 6 of Vydehi School of Excellence, Bangalore. And we are going to do some mathematical basic practice problems with her. And the chapters that we are covering is playing with numbers, ratio and proportion, integers, basic geometrical ideas, and understanding basic geometrical shapes. All these topics we will cover, and the class is going to be very long. So if you are being sleepy, just sleep and do watch this in the morning. Okay, no issue with that. So on that note, I am going to start with the first chapter, that is playing with numbers. All right, so I will be keep talking in English and Hindi both, and if you have got any doubt, you can just post your doubt in that chapter in the comment box, and you will keep listening the voice of very cute little my student Vrinda. Okay, so Vrinda, you can also ask in between. आपको जो कुछ भी पूछना you can ask. Okay, it's not okay. So playing with numbers, we are playing with numbers. Why we are playing with numbers? Because we have to understand that our life, mathematical life, is nothing without numbers. Okay, हम अगर tile बना रहे हैं, we are just painting. Anything that we do shopping, we climb the stairs. Anything that we do has got some numbers in it. So we have to learn how to play this with this numbers. So the first two things which come to our mind is, first is what are multiples and what are factors. So the numbers, playing with numbers involved only two topics. One is, bolte jao sath sath, I want you to please speak. One is multiples and the other one is factors. Now what are factors? What is a multiple? So I will write, if 2 into 3 is equal to 6, if 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then 2 and 3 are factors of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6, and 6 is known as multiple of 2 and 3. Understood? A numbers which can exactly divide another number. A number which can exactly divide other number is known as factor of that number. So some basic facts. Tell me, what is the smallest factor of every number? Tell me. Yeah. What is the smallest factor of every number? What is the smallest number which can divide all the numbers? So it is 1.
Sir, unmute, sir. Oh, yeah, 1.
1. Very good.
Unmute नहीं हो रहा था.
Yes, it's okay. So if I want to ask what are the factors of 2, I can write 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So you can see the smallest factor of a number is 1. And what is the highest factor of a number? What is the highest factor of a number? Any number? Tell me. Vrinda, you are on mute. So we will write 1 is the smallest factor. 1 is the smallest factor of
Sir, then
every number. हाँ बताओ बेटा.
number itself.
हाँ, very good. So सबसे पहले अगर हम 1 की बात करेंगे, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. And if I talk about any number, so we will say if the highest factor of a number, the highest factor of a number is, well said, number itself, is number itself. All right. Hi, sir. Yes, yes, yes. I'll go. Okay, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Can chroma the number? And the highest factor of a number is the number itself. Okay, written. Now coming to the multiple of a number. So we will say, just give me a second. Okay. Now about the multiples. So before that, one more thing about the factors. The number of factor for a given number is always, बताओ क्या होगा बेटा? Assertion and reasoning. The question may come in the assertion and reasoning. The number of factor for a given number is always, anybody? ऑनलाइन वाले बच्चों प्लीज लेट मी नो, क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे? द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स फॉर एनी गिवन नंबर इज ऑलवेज
finite.
बहुत बढ़िया, फाइनाइट. लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल 14. So what is the smallest number factor? 1. What is the highest factor? 14. So all other factors will lie between 1 and 14. So we have one more, 2 and 7. We have one more, 2 and 7. One more important thing about factors. The number of factors for any composite number means which have more than 2 factors. The number of factors for any composite number is probably even numbers. You can see how many factors are there. So we will say it is 1, 2, 7 and 14. What are the factors of 14? So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if a number is a perfect square, for example I write 9, so then you will see the number of factors for a perfect square is always odd. Okay, let us see. So we will write 1 into 9, then we will write 3 into 3. Let us check for one more number. Let us say for 4. So we have 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Let us check for 25. So 1 into 25, 5 into 5. So how many factors are there for this 9? We will say 1, 3 and 9. So there are odd numbers. 1, 3 and 9. Number of factors for 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Numbers of factor for 25 is 1, 5 and 25. So we can look from here that the number of factors for a perfect square. What is a square of a number? A number multiplied by itself. If I multiply 3 by 3, I am getting 9. So that is 9 is a square. What is 9? 9 is a square of a number. Square of a number. If a number is a perfect square, then we say that the total number of factors is always odd. Vrinda, clear hai beta? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If a number is not a perfect square, then the total number of factors for a number for a composite number which is not a perfect square is always कैसे होते हैं बेटा? Even. Okay?
सर मेरा क्लासमेट है.
Okay.
शाश्वत सर को डिस्टर्ब मत कर.
Okay, the total number of factors for a composite number which is not a perfect square is always even. The number of factors for a number which is a perfect square is always odd. आप काउंट कर सकते हो. And this question may come in assertion and reasoning. एक सेंटेंस बोलता है और आपको बताना पड़ता है कि ओके इज दैट सेंटेंस इज ट्रू और नॉट. फिर उसके पीछे एक रीजन देता है and you have to justify that reason justifies the assertion or not. So these are the basic statements which you need to know about factors. What is the highest factor of a number? Number itself. What is the lowest factor of a number? 1.
1.
So which means the total number of factors for a given number is always finite. We can count them, and it is always even if a number is not a perfect square, and if a number is a perfect square, it is always odd. Understood? Okay. Now let us know some interesting facts about multiples. Okay. So tell me, what is the lowest multiple of any number? So the number itself. Very good. आप म्यूट होके बोल रहे हो. Okay. So let us say for 8. So the table start 8 की टेबल अगर हम स्टार्ट करें तो we will say 8 into 1 is equal to 8. So what is the lowest multiple of 8? बताओ. Is 8.
8.
अगर आपसे मैं बोलूं what is the lowest multiple of x, एक नंबर है x, तो उसका लोएस्ट मल्टीपल क्या होगा पता? From where it will start? So the lowest multiple of x is x. Lowest multiple of x is x. Lowest multiple of 12 will be 12. Highest factor of 12 will be 12.
12.
Lowest factor of 12 will be 1.
12. 1.
ध्यान से सुनो. Lowest factor is 1. Highest factor is number itself. Lowest multiple is number itself.
Number itself.
ठीक है. यहां से ये स्टेटमेंट आती है बेटा आपके सामने. We can write x into 1 is equal to x. Let us say I write 24 into 1 is equal to 24. So this is the highest factor of the number. This is the lowest factor of the number. This is the lowest multiple of the number. Everything comes in the first multiplication table of a number. Understood? Vrinda, clear hai? Sure?
Sir.
Okay. So they are doubting, is it a live class or is it not a live class?
Yes, sir.
It's okay, let them doubt. उनको लग रहा है रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर है. Oh, it's not a recorded lecture, Mr. Laurent. Yes, this is a live class. And this is especially for you all. Because Vrinda has told me, sir, there are so many students of my class who wanted to get knowledge from you. So this is a special batch on the request of Vrinda I am doing this. Or else I don't need to do this. So thanks to Vrinda. Okay. So let's continue. So now comes, okay, let me know if the total number of multiples are, tell me, the total number of multiples, हम उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या? Can we count the total number of multiples, Vrinda, for any given number?
Yes, sir.
नहीं कर सकते बेटा. आप मुझे बताओ कि अच्छा अगर हम 2 की टेबल लें, let's start with 2 table. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Tell me at what point it will end. What is the point that it is going to end?
No.
कोई point. So there is infinite. Okay, so the total number of multiples, the total number of multiples for any number is infinite. Is infinite. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now we will move on to the divisibility rule, which is the most important chapter of this part of the chapter. So divisibility rule for 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2, Vrinda? Tell me.
Sir, the end number should be even.
Okay. So a number is divisible by 2. I want you to write fast as you can. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, and then we will write such numbers are known as क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें हम बेटा? Even numbers. They are known as even numbers. Okay. Now I will be giving you most of the tricks now. जो भी इस क्लास को देख रहे हैं. Okay. No, not yet. We will, if you want, we can do it now. So practice question we will do now, beta. We will do. Okay. So a number is divisible by 3. बताओ कब बोलते हैं बेटा?
Sir, when the sum of all digits of a number is like
3, 6 or 9. When the digital sum of the number is 3, 6 and 9.
Multiple of 3.
Yes. A number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the digital sum is 3, 6 or 9. Now they might be thinking, what is digital sum? So here is a trick. So if I write a number 1, 9, 2, 7, 3, 6 and ask you, is this number divisible by 3? So you have to add all the digits, digital sum, and you should not add the numbers which involves 3, 6 and 9. So 9, 3, 6, ignore them. 7 plus 2 is 9, ignore them. 1. So we are left with 1. So we will say this number is not divisible by 3. Understood? Clear? What is the divisibility rule for 4? The last 2 digits. Yes.
Last 2 digits formed by the last 2 digits.
So a number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits is also divisible by 4. No, is divisible by 4. If the last 2 digit of a number is divisible by 4, the number is also divisible by 4. Okay, now how to check? So we have to divide the numbers into 2 parts. On one part we will have the ones place as 0, 4 and 8. On the other side we will have 2 and 6. So basically we have categorized the number into 2 groups. One of the group is 2 and 6, the other group is 0, 4 and 8. Now the tens place of such number must be an even number, and the tens place of such number ending with 2 and 6 must be, you will not get this trick anywhere else. So this is created by me only. So must be an odd number. So if I ask you, what could be the lowest number so that the given number is divisible by 4? What could be the lowest number I can put here so that it is divisible by 4? Batao. So the lowest number could be 1. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, and the highest number should be 9. वृंदा बेटा यहां पे देखो, what could be the lowest number? It will be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. ओके क्लियर है आप? हाँ, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, म्यूट हो आप म्यूट हो, आवाज नहीं आ रही मुझे। आप क्या बोल रहे हो? आप म्यूट हो के बोल रहे हो? अनम्यूट हो जाओ आप। I don't understand what's going on. Okay, anybody? क्या चाहिए बेटा? मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ। वृंदा, आर यू टॉकिंग टू मी? तो आप म्यूट होके बोलोगे, हाउ कैन आई लिसन? आप अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे हो। बताओ क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
हाँ सर, मैं ये कह रही थी अनम्यूट ही नहीं हो रहा था इसलिए।
अच्छा, अभी हो रहा है?
हाँ
ओके, तो मैं आपके सामने एक नंबर दे रहा हूं, मैं आपके सामने एक नंबर दे रहा हूं, 124-6. What is the lowest number which can be filled here so that the given number is divisible by 4?
digit. Okay, so
बताओ, let me see कौन who answers first. What is the
Okay.
minimum number which can be which is divisible by 4? Then it is divisible by 4. What should I put here?
sir,
No, minimum number is 1, my dear. Minimum number is 1. Good try. 3. Because the number has to be an odd number. Any odd number can be fit here.
हाँ
Okay, if the number is ending with 2 and 6, any odd number can fit here. And the minimum number is 1 and the maximum number is 9. Very good. No, it is not 3, it is 1. Okay, hi Alu. Okay, if I write another number, 154-0, what is the minimum number which is divisible by 4? I can put here. आप फिर से the minimum number is 0. Very good, Lauren. And what is the highest number we can put here? 8. What is the highest number? Okay, this is for grade 6. All those who are above grade 6 can leave this class. Okay, this is for grade 6 only. This is the basic concepts. If you have missed basic concepts because of some corona effect, you can be in this class. Okay, all right. Okay, last question. So 2-96. What is the minimum number which can fit here so that this number is divisible by 4? Tell me. बताओ, आप फिर से म्यूट हो जा रहे हो।
सर हाँ, अब अनम्यूट हो पा रहे।
ठीक है, तो यहां पे हम लिखेंगे दिस नंबर इज ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 4, सो वी हैव टू पुट 0 एंड व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर? सो द मैक्सिमम नंबर विल बी 9. द मैक्सिमम नंबर विल बी 9. All right. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the divisibility rule for 5, which is very easy. The number has to end with 0 or 5. Okay, now the divisibility rule for 6, which is your first question in the exercise, revision exercise. Okay,
Sir,
yes,
either the number has to be divisible by both 2 and 3.
okay, so a number is both divisible by 2 and 3. Clear है? What is the divisibility rule for 8? What is the divisibility rule for 8?
Sir,
Yes.
the number formed by the last 3 digits should be divisible.
Okay. So a number is divisible by 6, 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digit, if the last three digit is divisible by 8, is divisible by 8. So somebody may give you this particular big number, so you have to check the last three digit only. So 8 into 7, 56, 8 into 1, 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Alright. What is the divisibility rule for 9, beta? What is the
Sir,
divisibility
the sum
rule?
of all digits should be a multiple of 9.
So the sum of all digits, the sum of all digits is multiple of 9. You can say like that, or I will say in one line, the digital sum is 9. The digital sum is 9. You add all the digits and the sum will be 9. And you don't need to add all those numbers. Please tell the difference between the factor and the multiple. Factor is a number which divides exactly the multiple and multiple is a number which comes in the multiplication table of the factor. If 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 2 and 3 are known as factor of 6. 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Alright? Okay. Now next question. What is the divisibility rule for 10? The last digit
0.
must be 0. Alright. What is the divisibility rule for 11?
Sir,
This is very
when
important.
मैं बताऊं?
Hmm.
When the difference between मतलब sum के बीच का difference digit either 0 होना चाहिए और 11 होना चाहिए.
Okay. So हम बोलेंगे the difference between the sum of alternate digits, sum of alternate digits will be 0 or multiple of 11 or multiple of 11. ठीक है? Let's see a number 254-9. What is the number which can fit here so that the given number is a multiple of 11? Yes. So beta, what you are saying is odd and even digits. So that's what I'm saying. Alternate digits. Alternate means one after another. So first I will add the one part of the digit. So 9 plus 4 plus 2. So what is 9 plus 4 plus 2? It is 15. And what is the other number that we have? So we have 5 plus something. So can I make 5 plus something ever equal to 15? I have to put a digit.
Yes, sir.
So no, I cannot make 5 plus something. What is the largest digit we have? 9.
9.
So if you add 9 to 5, you will get 14
I
only.
get it.
So that means there is no digit which can fit in this place, so that this number is divisible by 11. Okay. So but if I change it to 6, if I change this to 6, then this will become 6. Then if I want to make this 15 as well, what should I write? I will write 9. So if I show you in the calculator, you see, so 2, 6, 4, 9, I am replacing this number by 9. 9 is divided by 11 and it is exactly divisible. You can see that. Alright. Clear hai? Is it clear? Vrinda?
Yes.
Okay. चलो, सो अब आपके चैप्टर के अंदर कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं हम, जो आपने मुझे भेजे थे.
सर एग्जाम मटेरियल.
ओके, this one. Okay, so everybody have a watch. Okay, let's see this question. कहाँ पे गया? I think this one mark question. Okay, and let's put on the timer as well, because in the examination there will be a timer. We will just spend not more than 2 minutes for a single 1 mark question. Okay, I am putting on the timer as well. Okay, now see this. Which of the following number is divisible by 6? So first we have to check whether the number is an even number or not. So we can check it by seeing the last digit. So it is an even number. Now we have to check the digital sum is divisible by 3 or not. So we have to remove all those numbers which include 9 and 3. So first we will remove 9, 3, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 8 plus 7 is 15, which is also 6. So that means this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. All right, clear hai? Next question. Which of the following are co-primes? It is not 1 minute, my dear, it is 2 minutes, because you've been given the 3 hours of a test. And if you have a math right, let me show you. So for 80 marks, you have got 180 minutes. So you will cancel this 4 into 2. So sorry, 2 into 4 and 2 into 9. So 9 by 4 is actually 2 1 by 4, which means 2 minutes 15 seconds for a question, for 1 mark question. If the question is of 2 marks, then you have 4 minutes. If the question is of 3 marks, then you have 6 minutes. You just need to multiply it by 2. I'm just ignoring 15 seconds in reading the questions. 15 seconds you can take for reading the questions. Okay, again putting the timer on. So which of the following are co-primes? So co-primes numbers, what is the definition of the co-prime numbers? So the numbers having two numbers, write down, two numbers having one as their HCF, highest common factor, are known as co-prime number, are known as co-prime numbers. तो इसमें एक खास बात होती है बेटा, co-prime numbers. अच्छा, मैं आपका एक टेस्ट लूंगा अभी. I want you to please tell me all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Let me see how fast you can say. आपका टाइमर ऑन कर रहा हूँ. So time starts now. Let me see how fast. बोलो, जल्दी बोलो. I want all the numbers.
सर रीस्टार्ट टाइमर.
ऑन कर दिया बेटा.
सर एक बार रीस्टार्ट कर दो.
रीस्टार्ट कर दूं?
हाँ.
ओके.
2 3 5 7 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29 31 37 41 43 47 53 59 50
61 67
61 67
71
73
73
79 83 89 97.
बहुत बढ़िया. क्लियर है? ओके. So which of the following are two co-primes? So we can see from here that 8 and 12 both have 2 as their factors. 9 and 10 does not have any factor. So the numbers which are co-prime are 9 and 10. And from this we can write two statements which are very important, beta. The first statement we can write is two consecutive numbers. Write down, two consecutive numbers are always Co-prime. Five marker takes only 10 minutes. It is not for each question, beta. It is for each 1 mark question. Understood? Two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. एक और इंपॉर्टेंट बात है बेटा, वो भी लिख लो. Two consecutive odd numbers. Two consecutive odd numbers are always क्या होते हैं बेटा? Co-prime. Two consecutive odd numbers are always co-prime. Okay. बाय बाय बाय. क्लियर है? चलें अगले क्वेश्चन पे. ओके. What least number should be replaced? Vrinda, how we will do this? What least number should be replaced for the star so that the given number is exactly divisible by 9?
Yes, sir.
So 67301 star 2. So if you want to make it divisible by 9, what you will do?
Sir,
Digital sum.
हाँ.
बताओ what is the digital sum?
Okay, so sir 7 plus 2 9.
What?
Sir 7 plus 2 9 होगा.
Yes.
So, just check it.
So 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 3 is
6
9.
plus 3 is 9.
So what should be added to 1 to make it 9?
8.
So the answer is
8.
8. Understood? Moving on to the next question. The LCM of two co-prime number is, दो co-prime number का LCM क्या होता है बेटा? What is the LCM? So write down the LCM of two co-prime number is their product. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. उनका HCF क्या होता है बताओ? What is the HCF of two co-prime numbers? What is the HCF of two co-prime numbers?
Question.
1. The highest common factor of two co-prime.
Okay.
मैं नया क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं आपसे. The HCF of two co-prime numbers. ये मेरी तरफ से क्वेश्चन है. देखो LCM तो उनका प्रोडक्ट होता है और HCF क्या होता है? HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. क्या होता है बेटा? 1. क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन बेटा. इसके लिए हमें कितना टाइम मिलता है? 4 मिनट्स. There are 2 bags of rice of weight 90 kg, 91 kg and 119 kg. ठीक है? Find the maximum possible weight. Maximum possible weight means what we need to find here?
Factor.
Factor. Highest common factor. So first we will write 91 as 7 into 13. 119, if we factorize, we will get 7 into 17. You must learn the multiplication tables of the prime numbers at least. 7 into 13 119 is 7 into 17. If you don't know that this multiplication table, you won't be able to do this question for sure. So you must know okay. So what is the highest common factor? It is 7. It is 7. Okay, for those who are watching my videos, if at all you are writing any word which is inappropriate, my YouTube account will automatically block you. There is a bot who will block you. Okay, so please avoid that. Okay, clear है बेटा? So आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है find the maximum possible weight which can weigh the rice of both the bags in the exact number of times. So आप लिखोगे the maximum number of weight, the maximum possible weight is क्या लिखोगे बेटा 7 kg.
7 kg.
ऐसे लिखोगे then you will get one more mark. Okay?
Sir, one extra.
नहीं. The second mark will be given when you will be writing this. First
Okay.
mark is finding this HCF. First mark is 1 mark. You will get half mark here, half mark here, and then when you will write this statement, you will get one more mark. So it is of 2 marks. You must know the marking scheme of CBSE as well. There is a clear guidelines. All right. Next question. Find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. So how we are going to write 15? Tell me, be quick. 15, how we are going to write 15? Tell me beta. So it is divisible by
Sir?
3. Yes. 3 into 5. आप यहाँ फोकस
Sir?
करो. Yes, बोलो.
LCM का वो बताओ.
हाँ, बताओ.
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
नहीं, ऐसे आंसर नहीं, एक एक स्टेप से.
अच्छा 15 का.
पहले 20 का क्या होगा? 2 into
हाँ
2
मैंने
into
सबका निकाल लिया था इसलिए.
5. बताओ 24 का क्या होगा बेटा?
सर 2 into
3 into 32 में कितने 2 होते हैं? 5. 36 में कितने 2 होते हैं बेटा? 4 into 9. So this is 4 and this is 9. फटाफट से लिख डालना है.
हाँ सर.
Okay. LCM. So LCM is, first you have to see the number of all the numbers. So you have 2, 3 and 5. So you will write 2 how many times? 5 times. Then you have 3 how many times? 2 times. Then you have 5 how many times? 1 time. So 2 into 5 is 10, and 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16, and 3 into 3, 9. So 16 into 9 is 144, and the answer is going to be 1440. Yes, you are right, my dear. Okay, the long division method is easier, but it is easier when you don't know this prime factorization. If I give you a number and ask you the multiple, there is lot more many methods in which you can find the LCM in a very easy way. Okay. Okay, so long division method is easier. Okay, so if I give you a number, you give me any number, take any random number, and let's see who gets the LCM faster. Okay, any random number. बताओ वृंदा, tell me any 2 random numbers बताओ. Let me see.
20.
8. Okay, ये तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर दे दिया. So the LCM is the number itself. उसने इतना बड़ा नंबर दे दिया, कम से कम 10 डिजिट का 2 बार दे दिया.
सर 646.
ओके, 7629 646. अच्छा, उसने दिया है 646 एंड 7629. चलो आप लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से करो, मैं ऐसे करता हूँ. ठीक है. सो 6 and 6. So we will write 2 into 3 2 3. 3 to 3 is a prime number. So 2 into 3, 8. No, it cannot be divided by 2. So the LCM. So LCM is going to be 7629 into 646. This is going to be the LCM. Because they are co-prime numbers, so the product of the co-prime number is their LCM. ओके, ये भी बहुत बड़े नंबर दे दिए. चलो, it's okay. It will take time for you to understand those things. Next question. In each of the following, replace this by the smallest number to make it divisible by 11. Smallest number. Let's see. So we have 86-72. So if we add these numbers, beta, 7 plus 6, how much it is? 13.
13.
And here how much we have? So we have 10 plus, let us say this number is x. Okay, tell me 10 plus x has to be equal to 13 because we need to make 0.
3.
So the smallest number is, so you will write like this: 13 minus 10 minus x is equal to 0. So 3 minus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. So the smallest number is 3. Next question. Question number 2. 9-8071. 9-8071. Okay. So we will add this. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. Now if I add these numbers, I will get 1 plus x. So what is the nearest number to 24 which is divisible by 11, beta? Tell me. 22. The number is
22.
So we have this equal to 22. You bring 22 on this side. So 24 minus 22 is equal to x plus 1. So 2 is equal to x plus 1. So x will be equal to 1. So the answer to this question is 1. क्या आएगा आंसर?
Yes.
1. Clear?
Yes.
बताओ.
Sir.
Any doubt? क्लियर है? नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़े. वृंदा,
हाँ सर.
अगला क्वेश्चन बेटा. द नंबर 76 हैज 6 फैक्टर्स. इज इट ट्रू?
Yes.
Yes, let us check. So 76 can be written as 1 into 76. It is divisible by 2 because 2 is a factor. 38 can further be divided by 2, so you can write 4 into 19. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first statement is true. The first statement is true. What about the second statement? Number of factors of a given number are finite. Yes, that statement is also true. Okay, that statement is also true. First is wrong. How it is wrong, my dear? How the first is wrong? 76 has got only 6 factors. Do you have any other factor apart from this? I don't think so. It has got only 6 factors. Yeah. Number of factors of a given number are finite. So that is also true. I initially told in the class the number of factors for a given number is always finite because the lowest factor of a number is 1 and the highest factor of the number is the number itself. So both are true. But the second statement is not justifying the first statement. So the answer will be B. The answer will be B. Vrinda, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You should cross verify. Okay, you should always cross verify. There are 6 factors and this is also true, but this does not justify. If I say the number of factors are finite, how can it be 6? It can be 4, it can be 3, it can be anything. So that is not justifying statement. So we say the answer is B. Hi Abhishek. Hello. How? Okay, what's your question? Shashwat. Hello, hello, Abhishek. Hi. Okay, so there are four options basically. क्या क्या options होते हैं Vrinda? Tell me. You know what are the options? So the first option is A. What
हाँ
say?
sir, A, which
What?
is
Both assertion and reason are true,
हाँ.
and the reason is the correct explanation of A. What is B?
Then B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A.
Very good. And फिर उसके बाद C होता है.
हाँ, which is A is true but R is false.
Okay.
Then D is false, R is true.
C is what? मतलब C में हम बोलते हैं R is false. D का क्या है बेटा? D है
Sir,
A
A
is false.
is false but R is true.
नहीं, दूसरा चेक ही नहीं करना है. If one of them is false, either it will be C or D. Either it will be C or D. Okay, set 1 हो गया. हाँ, सेट 1 तो कल कर दिया था मैंने. यस, ऑलरेडी डिड बेटा. आर डी शर्मा. ओके, आर डी
हाँ
शर्मा.
सर, हमारी मैथ टीचर ने बोला आर डी शर्मा करना है.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. एनसीईआरटी इज
हाँ
द
सर.
बेस्ट बुक. मैं बता रहा हूँ, एनसीईआरटी इज द बेस्ट बुक एंड द सेकंड बेस्ट बुक इज एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर. द सेकंड बेस्ट बुक इज एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर.
एग्जाम्पल.
यस. अभी उसके क्वेश्चन बोलो तो दिखाऊं आपको. देखना है? यू वांट टू सी ऑल दोस एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर? NCERT, no, I am saying NCERT exemplar. If I will show you, let me see how many of you can answer those questions. Ready? Let me know. अगर आप ready हो, I can show you. NCERT exemplar saying. Ready? Let me see who answers. ठीक है? मैं बता रहा हूँ, आदमी को समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. Let me show you then. Let's come to exemplar. Ratio, proportion, fractions, integers, geometry. Number system. Okay. Let me see who answers this first. If 1 is added to the greatest 7-digit number, it will be equal to. And the timer starts now. बताओ. Greatest 7-digit number, it will be equal to. क्या होगा? इसमें प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. 7-digit नंबर अगर हम बात करेंगे, 6-digit नंबर इज 10 लाख, 7-digit नंबर इज 1 करोड़. तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 7-digit नंबर. तो क्या मिलेगा आंसर? 1 करोड़. डी ऑप्शन. वेरी गुड अभिषेक, वेल डन. ठीक है. ओके, व्हेन राउंडेड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट. ये एक सेकंड, मुझे इसमें प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स नहीं मिला है शायद. ये अच्छा है. द सम ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 1729. चलो, लेट मी सी हु कैन आंसर दिस. आप बोल रहे हो इट्स इजी. बताओ. वेरी गुड शाश्वत. टेल मी दिस. 2 minutes. The sum of prime factors of 1729. अब करो. लेट मी शो यू योर डिविजिबिलिटी रूल. सो किसकी टेबल में आता है 1729? बताओ. एनीबडी? इट्स ए वेरी डिफिकल्ट नंबर. इस नंबर का स्पेशल नाम है. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस नंबर? 39, 32,
39.
नहीं, 1729 के क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर्स, कौन कौन से हैं बताओ, क्या लगता है आपको? किसकी टेबल में आता है? 3 की टेबल में आता है? 7 + 2 9 नहीं आता। 7 की टेबल में आता है?
हाँ सर।
7 2 14, 7 6 42 नहीं आता। नहीं, 7 4 28, यस 7 की टेबल में आता है। तो 7 2 14 32, 7 4 28, 7 7 49, ये किसकी टेबल में आता है? 7 की टेबल में आता है क्या? 7 3 21 नहीं आता। 17 किसकी टेबल में आएगा बताओ? 13 1 13, 13 की टेबल में आएगा। 13 1 13, 13 9 117। सो 19 + 13 is 32 + 7 13। वेरी गुड यार शाश्वत, वेल डन शाश्वत, बहुत बढ़िया, वेल डन। सो 1 मिनट में बता दिया था। दे आर शार्प, वेरी गुड, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, गुड वन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर विच ऑलवेज डिवाइड्स द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्रेडिसेसर एंड सक्सेसर ऑफ द ऑड नेचुरल नंबर अदर देन 1, बताओ। लेट मी नो द आंसर फॉर दिस, and again the time will be given only. The greatest number which always divides the product of predecessor and successor of an odd number other than 1. Yes, Ramanujan number, very good. 1729 is a Ramanujan number. The story behind that?
हाँ सर, हमारी टीचर ने एक बार बताया था।
Special number. बताओ क्या आंसर होगा बेटा इसका? ऑड नंबर के एक प्रेडिसेसर और एक आगे का सक्सेसर, इन दोनों को कौन सा नंबर है जो डिवाइड करेगा 1 के अलावा? तो आंसर होगा, किसी ने नहीं बताया। ओके, सो दे गॉन नाउ। सो द आंसर इज बेटा 4। द आंसर इज 4। अब कैसे होगा बेटा, इसको देखते हैं। सो सपोज यू हैव ए नंबर p विच इज एन ऑड नंबर, तो इसके पहले वाला नंबर एक इवन नंबर होगा बेटा, इसके बाद वाला नंबर भी एक इवन नंबर होगा, और जब आप इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो इसमें से एक 2 बाहर आएगा। You will get 1 2 from this side as well. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. So the minimum factor. Okay. So the minimum factor, the highest common factor will be 4. So the question of these exemplar are very good. Okay. The number of common prime factors of 75, 60 and 105 is the number of common prime factors. So you have to do prime factors. So it is 5 square into 3. 60 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 5. 105 can be written as 7 into 3 into 5. So the number of common prime factors. So common prime factor is, we have 5 in all of them. We have 3 in all of them. So the answer to that question will be 2, but not complex. All right, clear है वृंदा बेटा, आ रहा है समझ में?
सर।
तुम थक गई, सोना है? सो जाओ आप, क्योंकि कल हमें मिलना है, ठीक है? तो मैं बाकी के
सर कल कितने बजे मिलेंगे?
11 से 1 करेंगे, ठीक है?
11 to
1।
ओके।
तो मैं बाकी के सारे क्वेश्चन कर देता हूँ फटाफट से।
And guys, please do not disturb sir.
No,
He's
it's
putting
okay.
his
No,
hard
no, no,
work
no,
in
no.
that.
I am totally free now. अब Vrinda is going, so I am going to put that YouTube in front of me in the screen, and I can reply to any questions now. I am open to all the questions. Bye, Vrinda.
Bye sir.
Bye. I'm here only, guys. Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to solve all the questions. Okay. I will join tomorrow probably. Okay, okay. If you want to go to sleep, you can sleep. But I am going to solve now all the questions. Okay. So any doubt from your end? Any question? Any question? Hi Vrinda has also come online. Vrinda beta. If you have any questions, you can just let me know. I will just solve it right now. Right now, I will solve it. Okay. So Vrinda, if you want to sleep, please have a sound sleep because tomorrow also we are having a class. Okay. Now a very beautiful question framed in front of you. Let me see who can answer this. So the time starts now. Let me know. बताओ बेटा इसका क्या आंसर? Which of the following number is divisible by 11? Sir, how to do HCF LCM related word problems especially fast and effectively? Okay. Can you give me any question? You give me word problems and I will tell you how to do it. I have 4 or 5 of them with me. The answer is 2 to 2. Okay, so what you counted? Let me see. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, correct answer. Good one, good one. Pierre Laurent is the most fastest guy. Okay. I mean especially R.D. Sharma. No. See, you just give me any question. I will let you know. If you give me the kind of question, I will tell you the trick how to solve it quickly. You give me the problem. If you ask in general, if you just ask me in numbers, the numbers, you can give me numbers as well. 6423. What is that? 6423 and 34569. 34569. Okay. Now to find the highest common factor or multiple in general. Okay. So to find the highest common factor, you have to know the divisibility rule. And you have to know the divisibility rule in very quick session. Like if I ask you for 2, if I ask you for 3, if I ask you for 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, you should be very fast in that. Okay. Then you must remember the square from 1 to let us say up to at least 50, 60. You must remember all the squares from 1 to 60. Why? Because if you get a square of a number, it is 841. And if you get a square of a prime number, then it is very difficult for you to find out whether that particular number is a prime number or not. Okay, it is very difficult to find that particular number is a prime number or not. So if I need to check this number, first of all, you will not get that many numbers in your life because the questions are made to be solved by the normal persons. Okay, I haven't seen any questions which we can bring you immense pressure in that. If you go by the rules, you have to, the maximum number that can be given to you is, and I'm quoting 10th grade NCRT. I'm quoting the 10th grade NCRT. The same question is being put up here and I will show you as well. So when you will reach grade 10, see the first chapter. See the first chapter. And I will show you in front of me. See this. The maximum number, prime factorization of the number you will get is 7429 or 5005 or 3825. Only these numbers are being given to us. Exemplary scholars. So you must remember all the squares. The first thing that you have to do is you have to remember the squares up to 40. You can ask me any square. I will give you in fractions. I will give the answers in just seconds. Any squares. Hardly it will take 5 seconds for me. So there is a trick to remember all the squares. And if you remember all the squares, sir, R.D. Sharma is so tough. Even the Olympiad, see, first of all, you should not prepare for Olympiad and all those things. Those are nonsense. Those are just a business game to gamble all the students, just to give them some questions. Okay, and there is a lot of money behind that Olympiad. Lot many people are giving, the exam is being conducted, somebody is giving a gold medal, somebody is given something. Such kind of questions are not being asked, because I am teaching US students as well. The number that you gave, 282819192863, that number is not ever given. Already, all right. And Adi Sharma is not tough. Tough is a game of knowledge. If you know things, it is easy. If you don't know things, it is tough. So let us say 7429. So what could be the square of, what is the number whose square could be this? Okay. So the number we can write here is 3 or 7. And 74 can be, if I take the number 74, so 8 into 8 is 64. So it will lie between 83 and 87. So either it is 83 square. So let me see if it is 83 square. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 8, 24 to 48. No. So you have to divide this number 7429 by, let us check it with 7. So 7 into 1, no, it will not go, because 7 into 6 is 42, but it is 9. Then we can check with 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So with 11 also it will not go. With 11 also it will not go. Let us check with 13. So 13 into 5 is 65, then 92, then 13 into 7 is 91. Again it is not going by 13 as well. Then we will check by 17. So 17 into 4 is 68, 62, 17 into 3 is 51, and then 17 into 7 is 119. Now this number, again a big number. So if you take it by the next number, 19 into 2 is 38, 19 into 3 is 57. So the largest number, that is a multiple of 3 numbers, and you can see all these 3 numbers are prime numbers. So that's why I say this is the highest number that anybody has got to do the prime factorization. All other numbers are less than that. And to remember this, you must know two multiplication table, that is 13, 17 and 19. The multiplication table of prime number is very important. You don't remember the table of 18, that's okay, but at least the table of 17 and 19 is to be learned, is to be remembered. Alright, now coming to the word problems. So word problems are like this. They are easy kind of. There is a circular park around the sports field. Okay, and Sonia takes 18 minutes. So she goes around. She take 18 minutes to drive one round on the field. Ravi, another guy, who takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point A, let us say, and going round. Okay, so after how many minutes they will meet again? Make maths knowledge better, right? Like many toppers in my class are generally good at them. So they are good. It's not Olympiad has made them topper. It is because they are toppers, so they are giving the Olympiad in a very good manner. Preparation for Olympiad will help you out, because you can see many kind of questions, different questions. That's okay, but that's a different game. Olympiad is a completely different game. Olympiad has nothing to do, we can say, with the, because all the questions are multiple choice. You've been not asked to show. So in fact, you can just click on any answers, and it might be your, you have good luck, and that answer may be correct or not. So Olympiad is a completely different game. But for that different game, you have to be good in mathematics as well. It is not that Olympiad has made them best. It is because they are best, so they are doing good in Olympiad. It is the other way. Alright. Now we are going to find the LCM, because this particular thing is going to repeat. So 18 and 12. So if you want to do it fast, you will take the largest number of them and check which of the number is there in this. So we have 6 already there. So we have multiply this by 2 and we will get 36. So that's a very deep depth knowledge. Okay. So what should I do now? Playing numbers. Let me throw some questions on you. Let me see who answers the questions first. Very beautiful question here. One of my best exercise. You see this. Tell me, 990 divisible by 2? The answer is yes. So if it is divisible by 2, the last number is 0. So for this also yes. For 10 also yes. Now coming to 9 and 9. So it is divisible by 9 as well. So it is divisible by 3 as well. So it will be divisible by 6 as well. But with 4, the last number is 0. The previous number is 9. So it is no. If it is with 4, no. Then for 8 also it is no. For 11, if you see 9 minus 9 is 0. So it is yes. You have to be that fast. Next question. 1586. So it is not divisible by 0. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by this. 6 and 5 is 11. So it is not divisible by 11 as well. Now if we add the numbers, 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is not divisible by 9 as well. It is not divisible by 3 as well. So it is divisible by 2. And the number ending with 6, the previous number has to be an odd number. So it is neither divisible by this as well. Not divisible by this as well. Not divisible by this as well. Only divisible by 2. Okay, next question. So this number is not divisible by 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 7, 14. Not divisible by 3. Neither divisible by this. This is divisible by this. Not. Neither. No, for 11 it will be divisible. Because 2 plus 5 is 7. For 11 it will be divisible. Okay? Understood? So let's end the session, I think. Okay, because it's too late, I think. So let's end this class. Bye everyone. Bye. Just have a sound sleep. We'll meet tomorrow at 11. If you want to join, you can join. Bye.